Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain year function in Excel. Guys, year function in Excel is used to extract year value from the specified date. See, in this example we have specified different types of dates. If I apply year value on this dates, it will extract only year values from this date. Okay, now I will show you practically. Equal to year, it accepts only one argument, that is serial number argument. Okay, by default Excel store date as a serial number. Okay, select the cell and hit enter button. See, automatically it will extract only year value from this specified date. Okay, if I drag this, automatically all years gets extracted. Okay, so like this year function will works in Excel, and also this year function will use in different scenarios. Okay, now in this scenario I want to find difference between these 2 years. Okay, these type of scenarios also we can use this year function. Okay, so equal to year, select this year 2 data and subtract with year 1 data. Okay, then we will get differences of these 2 years. Okay, these 2 years have 5 years differences. If I drag this, automatically all the years differences gets generated. So like this year function will works in Excel. Okay, so this is also one of the date function in Excel, guys. Okay, so that's it guys. Okay, thank you.